Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh word of the day. Now, for those of you following this, yesterday's Welsh word of the day was coch. And here I am at the beach and we have a few coch things, if I could show you. We've got a pont coch, pont being bridge, coch being red, there it is, the rail bridge. And then over there, can you see that? Cwch coch. Cwch being boat or ship, coch being red. There's a red ship over there, refilling. Anyway, that's yesterday's coch. Today's Gair Cymraeg y Dydd, Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw, ydy, is Glas. Glas. Glas being blue, that's right. As in the first word of the largest city in Scotland, Glasgow, 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 if you want it in Gaelic, Glasgow, if you want it in Scots. And Glasgow comes from Glas Cae, blue fields, which translates as green fields rather than blue. So Glas, Glasgow being a Welsh city, which you didn't know before, there we go. Glas, blue. Remember to say it as you see it. Mwynhewch, enjoy. Live out.